talaga namang you are a man of vision. Nakikita mo yung ma-project mo yung anong mangyayari sa bayan, itong uprising ng moral, yung insurgency, not really moral, but that involve morality. But still, itong mga kapatid natin na Muslim, they rose against government. Ikaw yung isa sa mga tao na provided the moderation so that it would not go out of hand. Hindi magkaroon ng gira, talagang patayan, putukan. So, the nation appreciated it. I was then a mayor. I was a friend when I was a mayor. I am a friend. Nakita ko ang trabaho mo.